Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video of this weekend. Um, there's all kinds of movies on ABC Family. I had just gotten through watching a Nicolas Cage movie, A Sources something, I don't know. I don't know what the heck it is, but pretty good movie. And getting prepared actually for a storm that is coming to hit West Virginia, and it's in Ohio right now at this point. And from what I'm hearing, a friend of mine had posted on her status and said that part of Ohio, where that person lives at, their power is like kicking on and off. So eventually, really don't know how to feel on this, because we have been through this before, and it was like last June for this summer, and we were like out of power. I think I was just talking about it for last few videos ago that I had recently done, and I was talking about how we had no power for like 2 weeks, but for me, I had no power for 4 days straight. But anyway, we'll get straight to the point here. I really hope that we don't lose power. If we do, I don't know what's gonna happen. In the meantime, we're actually getting a blizzard at the end of October, which is early. And I remember back then, as a kid, we would get snow in the middle of October, I think. But it's just unusual to get snow around Halloween. You know what I mean? It's kind of like I don't know really. Basically, I'm just all confused right now because I'm trying to get prepared. I have my winter clothes out. I got half of the apartment cleaned up, and hopefully I won't have to go to the store for food or anything, in case if the power does go out. It's gonna be one long winter and one long Christmas, because West Virginia has had not any snow at all last year, and last year it was practically summer during Christmas, during the winter, and there was just like none. And if we did get snow, there was not even enough to lay on the ground to stay on the ground. You know what I'm saying? But the thing of it is, I'm kind of prepared. I'm transferring movies onto my iPad so I can have at least something to watch. I mean, I have games. Some games I have, like, don't need the internet for, but the rest of my games does need the internet. And I'm lucky to have at least like a couple of games to not have the internet, But anyway, we are under a blizzard of, I guess, the whole state of West Virginia. Again, for a snowstorm, and it's kind of ridiculous too. I mean, here, I don't know if we're gonna lose our power or get any snow, period, but it sure is cold. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.